ẹ̀yin tèmi as usual Private Ayọ̀délé tún ti mú àwọn ìran tó lágbára wá o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ city boy movement. Wọ́n ní city boy movement wọn ò ní win ní anywhere o, and this will be, they should be very very careful. And there's another message for Adeleke, that Adeleke must be very careful because APC, when you desperate gone by, APC is very desperate. They are ready to turn Osun upside down, and there's serious warning to all these hoodlums that they are employing to be turning the voters, fighting the voters, doing all sorts of things to the voters. They said you are playing with your future. It's your future that you are playing with. He said God has ordained Adeleke for Osun State, and he said Oyebola will lose no matter how they do it, except by rigging. And he said even for the rigging, I don't think the rigging will be working for Adeleke. That's what he said. And he said he's not supporting any party or Adeleke has paid him for anything. He said whatever God asked him to say is what he will say. He only fear God, not human. And his prophecies is direct. Whatever God asked him to say is what he's saying. And in one Obi, an article said, if you guys align, that's where you can have impact and tackle Jagaban. But without that, you guys are not going anywhere. And he gave a lot of prophecies about APC and global prophecy about Russia as well. He said they want to attack Russia refinery. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is CROSSBLOGXTV. Let's watch this new prophecy and drop our opinion down below.
Tax. I see the president getting angry with the tax management. I don't know what must have caused it. I don't know what must have happened. The person who is in charge will have problem with Mr. President, and a lot of people are going to complain about it. And that's why he has to seek the face of God. Let him go and pray, so that his effort will not be wasted. Let him pray. It's not a cause, so it's just a strict warnings. You might take the warnings, but the warning might not be meaningful, might be meaningful. It might look sensible, might not look sensible, but just watch. Just watch. City boy movement will not work, not everywhere. So, and city boy movement must be very careful so that they will not attack them. They must be very prayerful, very prayerful. I repeat, very prayerful in their movement. I know whenever I give any prophecy that does not favor APC, I know APC will not be happy. When I give prophecy that is not favorable to the other party, maybe ADC or PDP, they will not be happy. I'm not saying that I'm not saying prophecy for you to like me, and I'm not saying prophecy for me to gain your attention. I'm not saying prophecy for you to heal me. Truth is always bitter. I want to say the truth, and you get bitter. You don't like me. The moment God likes me, that is the truth. If you are my friend, I can tell you, or you said, don't tell me anything, or I call you, don't pick. I want to deliver God's message. I don't say you should like me. I will just say what the Lord said. I will send it to the air. People who like you will tell you they will advise you. That is my stand. I'm just giving you any prophecy for you to be happy with me, or for me to be your friend. You can be my friend, you can be my enemy. The moment God speaks, I'm okay with that. That is for that. That is my word. That is the word to Osun State Governor Adeleke. You have just few days to the election. In as much God wants you to win, APC, they are adamant, especially not Tinubu. Is this people are desperate? Not that I cannot mention their names, so but God did not say I should mention their names. They are desperate. One time governor, all these people that are coming, it's just one person that is turning this thing that wanted to turn Osun upside down, turn Osun to war zone. And this will be discredit APC. Let the will of God be done. You that they are using their boy, can they put their children to go and fight this battle? Carrying cutlass, carrying gun. You don't think. If you think, you know that this person, they don't want to kill. You don't need to kill for them. You don't need to even die for any one of them. But they are used and dumb. It's now you are relevant too. When they finish using you, they get to power. They will not remember you again. And who we're going to lose is your family. Your dead body will be rotting. And your great children will curse you. Daddy will not sleep well. Don't let anybody use you, either APC, PDP, or ADC, or ACOR. Don't let anybody use you. Go there and vote gently and leave. If they tell you to go and destroy, if you destroy, you are destroying your future and your tomorrow. Leave this thing for who God has chosen to win. The one who will do it better, who will make Osun better, who will make Osun great. I'm not campaigning or I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not saying anything. If Adeleke is bad, I will tell you straight, Adeleke is bad. The man who have compassion, who have the heart of Osun people, the one that God have ordained to make Osun better than ever, is Jackson, dancing, Onijo Nuruddin, dynamic dancer. Adeleke is the name that will even work. Adeleke. That one, I don't even know Oyebola. It's not Bola in anywhere. It will born in Ola. That's the main name. Born in Ola. That's the meaning of the name. That thing will not get to him. Except they killed Osun people. Or the bribe INEC. Only rigging. I stand by it. I'm not changing anything. Adeleke has never done me anything, no. At all. He has never done me anything. At all. He has not. He has not done me anything. Anything. No, he has not done it. But I'm not saying the heart of God and what the Lord said. That is the person who will make Osun great, who will make Osun better, who Osun people must support, who Osun people must vote for. He's a man who will bring blessing and fortune to Osun. You give Ambo, all of you will suffer. Either you're a Christian or Muslim. Me, I'm not supporting anybody. I'm only saying what the Lord says. But Adeleke, don't sleep. That day, use everything within your power to make sure that you are not rich. They will use security. They will use thug. Your main area, they wanted to scatter the place. They don't know when the election to be conducted. They will say there is no service, there is no network in their BVN and whatnot. That is the best governor. That is the best man who can do it better. You may take it, you may not take it, then leave the rest. You will suffer it. That is the state we shall suffer it. Old Adeleke accountable for anything that happens in Osun. If he fails Osun second time, he fails God, he fails his generation, he fails his entire family. But if you want Osun to be stagnant, vote for wrong person. God bless. Since these states are certain for APC, 100% for APC. Look at the date now. Look at when the election is coming. Ekiti, APC. Ondo, APC. But Atiku will be struggling to get 25%. Osun, APC. And of course, you will see the way Kwara State APC, River State APC, Atiku will be struggling. ADC cannot win. I mean, she cannot win in River State. Forget it. Cannot. The battleground for APC and ADC. Battleground for APC and ADC. Just mark my word. Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, Niger, Abuja. It's going to be a battleground. Battle, when I mean battle, I mean a very serious battleground. Even Lagos State is going to be a little bit of battleground, though. A little bit of battleground for APC and ADC, because I'm telling you, the Igbo in Lagos are not ready to vote APC. They will go by their trend. Northern might be divided a little bit, but I tell you that majority of Nigerians also like APC again. APC, I'm telling you, they need to do a lot to save the party. But I'm not worried though. You may not see it the way I see it. Taraba is for APC, 100% APC. You see, Gombe, Jigawa, Yobe is another battleground between APC and PDP, and APC and ADC. It's a battleground. As you know, B, Atiku, they can listen to the voice of God. We should have done the alignment and form a coalition, a very simple, gentle coalition to make things easy. But because all of you are self-centered, you don't want to have agreement. That's why we'll be worrying you. And that's why we'll be killing you. Your selfish ego. Trust Tinubu that Tinubu get all of this opportunity, he will do it. And mind you, there's nobody rivaling with Tinubu except Atiku. Obi is a fantastic, will have been a fantastic candidate. As you Obi have listened to me, Obi Kwankwaso and Co, I will have given them a very good advice. It's just unfortunate that they are not willing to listen. Meanwhile, Delta State is for APC 100%. APC, Delta State. Then Akwa Ibom for APC. The article will be struggling to get 25% in all of these places. Be struggling. To be honest, Anambra State is not for we. We will not win Anambra. It's going to be for APC. APC will do everything. It's going to be a very serious battleground between Obi, that is NDC, and APC. It's going to be a very serious battleground. Well, that's what God has revealed to me in a nutshell. Anybody might take it, anybody might not take it. But that is the message of God. That's presidential. Let me just take one or two states as well. You say Kaduna. If El-Rufai is not out, and keep El-Rufai in that place, APC know better. I think could do anything to bring El-Rufai out. There are other people they are still going to run after through EFCC and other means. Tinubu is strategically ready. The Atiku must also be very, very ready, very, very extraordinarily ready. Meanwhile, Northerners are not yet happy to vote Tinubu. Northerners are not happy with Tinubu. That's how this battleground, Tinubu must work very hard. Abuja is not 100% too. It's a battleground though. Either weekend or no weekend, Abuja doesn't show anything. The River State is 100% for Tinubu. Wike will do. Atiku will not win River State. Amishi will not win River State. Just watch it. Ondo State is for APC. Atiku will only manage to get 25%. That is for that. That Arewa youth will be divided because of Tinubu. They will be divided. Arewa will be divided. Tinubu still needs sincere people that will work for him in the north. Most of these northern politicians, northern elders, Tinubu have not seen what is going on. They are not giving it all to Tinubu. It's a message. That is why Osun State, they should expect crisis. Don't see free and fair election. Meanwhile, they are still going to hold accord members. Ademola, it's possible they arrest your members for one thing or the other, and I'm still seeing a serious battle in Osun. Don't let Osun turn to war zone. Take things easy. Take Osun easy. Don't let Osun issues cause problems. Osun issue causing problems might aggravate a lot. Mining. The Nigerian government can make a lot of money in mining. So the Nigerian government must increase, instead of going to be looking for tax, small tax, put tax on mining, and everybody should privatize their mining. It's a wonderful advice for the government of Nigeria, because our external debt will increase. So Nigeria will borrow another money in October, heavy money, and these are the things they are going to use to criticize Tinubu. And the finance minister must sit well, so that they will not shoot him. But I'm not saying they will shoot him with gun, no, so that his policies will not shoot him by leg. Wrong policy, and that place there are a lot of leakages that is not seen. NNPC, there's no amount of money the Nigerian government put on NNPC that if the refinery is good today, will die tomorrow. The government needs to do something about NNPC, that to privatize it or to do something. Meanwhile, I am seeing another refinery that is going to be heavily compete with Dangote. In order to keep Dangote refinery oblivion, Dangote refinery must stand seriously. See, Jos Benue is not 100% for APC. Jos Benue is a battleground for NDC, APC, and ADC. Correct. It's a battleground. That is the message of the Lord. Zambia election. The election is only the wrong calculation and wrong coalition. The Zambia president, HH, will still win this election, except God stops it. The opposition believe that they are going to win. They are doing everything possible by their right, by their power, to see that they win the election. I don't say anything that they are going to win. That's for that. Iran. Donald Trump. All the steps you are taking in Iran will not get any result. And a lot of countries will form alliance with Iran. And some of them will even stop calling you if you don't allow this Strait of Hormuz to be open free. They will just start doing a lot of business, which they have started now. They will abandon you and will make the government of Trump to be useless. That is the truth. Trump government, they will not be giving that same power. That is all about Trump. They will not listen, no. Meanwhile, Trump will change the law of America because he will have the backup of Attorney General. And the General will not be able to resist Donald Trump. Whatever that Trump needs, he will get it. Bam! One time. That's for that. Russia will do something that Ukraine will regret. This Ukraine war is Zelensky and EU that doesn't want it to end. And Zelensky will pay dearly for it. Meanwhile, they want to attack Russia refinery. Putin, put your hands together and let your security be very, very alert. Very, very alert. A lot of countries are proposing for Third World War. Then God said no to Third World War. He doesn't want it. And it will not happen. But the war will not be at rest. The war will not be at peace. That is why the next Secretary General of United Nations, we need to get God's directives from it. If you pick a wrong person as Secretary General of United Nations, there will be war. Because America will not be happy. America wants to dominate everything about United Nations. As America will influence his own person to be there. Nicolas Maduro will not be released until Donald Trump installs whoever he wants as the president of Venezuela. And he's going to do everything possible on that. In Haiti, the election will go, but it will not go safely because the gang wants to cause one problem or the other. Meanwhile, it's the wish of America that they will voted for, not the wish of the people in Haiti. America is still going to trouble Denmark and Canada, and of course, America is going to arrest a kingpin of drug baron in Mexico. America is going to do anything to fight the kingpin of Mexico and the Mexican president. America want to get angry with him. That's for that. Shetima, be very careful. They are looking for ways to implicate you. They are looking for ways to make you irrelevant politically. They are looking for ways to make you redundant. So Shetima, you see.